Today we're talking about the fourth step in the BRRRR method, refinance. Welcome to Lou Raven Real Estate, where I help you build your business and expand your empire. The fourth step in the BRRRR method is refinance. So at this point in the process, you've already purchased a property, you've renovated it, you've rented it out, and now you're ready to do your cash out refinance with the bank so you can pull more money out and repeat the whole process. I'm going to walk you through an example of how this works. Let's say that the property that you bought and renovated is worth $500,000 after all the work is completed. So a bank would go out and do an appraisal, and they verify that your value, if you were to go sell it on the market, is $500,000. Let's say that this same bank is going to give you a loan at 80% loan to value. So that means that they're willing to lend you 80% of the $500,000 market value, which is $400,000. That then becomes your loan balance. So you'll have a $400,000 loan on the property that's worth $500,000, and that means that you've built an extra $100,000 of equity that's in the property. Now let's go back to that $400,000. So when you do this cash out refinance, the bank is going to give you $400,000, and what you'll first have to do is you'll first have to pay back any lenders that are in the first position on the property. So it's possible you went to private money or a hard money lender. Maybe you had all cash and you were able to purchase the property outright. Whomever or however you bought the property is going to first get paid back from that $400,000. Let's say in this example that you're all into the property for $300,000. So that means that you purchased it and you renovated it for a total of $300,000. Maybe you bought it for $200,000. You spent $100,000 renovating it. You're then all in for $300,000. So basically you need to pay yourself back, or the hard money lender or the private lender, the $300,000. You will pay them back from the $400,000 that the bank has given you, and afterwards you're going to have $100,000 left over to go ahead and reinvest and buy the next property. So you can go ahead and take that same money, repeat the process, and go buy another cash flowing asset. The BRRRR method is one of the most powerful ways that I've found to build wealth through real estate investing. It's helped me expand my portfolio greatly. If you have any questions on the BRRRR method, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. If you have experience with refinancing in a BRRRR method process, I'd also love to hear about that in the comments too. Finally, if this has been helpful to you, please hit the like button and share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want more information about how to build your business and expand your empire. I'm Lou Raven Real Estate. Check you next time.